In today's video, I'm going to show you how to integrate WooCommerce with QuickBooks Online. Connecting these two platforms allows you to sync your sales, products, and customer data automatically, saving time and helping you keep your finances organized. Let's jump right in and get it done step by step. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account. Look to the top right corner of your dashboard and click on the Integrations tab. This is where QuickBooks manages all the apps you can connect to your account. Once you're in the Integration section, type WooCommerce into the search bar. You should see the WooCommerce app appear in the results. Click on it to open the connection page. Now it's time to connect your accounts. Click on Connect and you'll be prompted to enter your WooCommerce store URL. Make sure to input the full URL of your store so QuickBooks can communicate properly with it. Next, you'll need to authorize the connection. Log into your WooCommerce account when prompted and grant QuickBooks the necessary permissions to access your store's data. This allows QuickBooks to sync your orders, products, and customer information automatically. After authorizing, configure your sync settings. You can choose whether to import all past orders or only new orders moving forward, sync products, and manage how customer data is imported. Take a moment to review these settings so everything matches your workflow. Once your settings are confirmed, click Save or Finish. QuickBooks will now begin syncing with your WooCommerce store. Depending on the number of orders and products, the initial sync may take a few minutes. And that's it. Your WooCommerce store is now integrated with QuickBooks Online. From now on, sales, products, and customer information will update automatically, giving you accurate financial reporting without the extra manual work. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials. Happy bookkeeping!